was marked by secret signs. Gentle twists and turns, heaven help you if you try to find a shorter way across. If you fail to read the signs, you're on a ground with no way out until the turning of the tide. But the tide will rise in time. Be ready with your boat to meet it. Feel the water lift you till you're floating free. Hoist your sail and find a channel deep enough to carry you to open sea. There's been time for many tides to fall and rise since you and I fetched up in shallow waters that have muddied up our lives. The gentle flows just out of reach, in sight of where we lie and watch so many ships and sailors gliding effortlessly by. They glance at us with pity in their sad and knowing eyes. But the tide will rise in time. We'll be ready with our boat to meet it. Feel the water lift us till we're floating free. We'll hoist our sail and find a channel deep enough to carry us to open sea. The tide will rise in time. We'll be ready with our boat to meet it. Feel the water lift us till we're floating free. We'll hoist our sail